Hello, welcome you all. Very good morning to all the students. So I am Pankaj Kumar Varke. I will going to take your subject as DTM for the digital techniques and microprocessor. Okay, so let us start with the introduction with the course. Okay, so now our subject is what? Digital techniques and microprocessor. The abbreviation is DTM, and the course code is what? 22323. Okay, so in a week we are having 4 lectures and 2 practical sessions. Now about the theory exam. Okay, so ESE and PA, progressive assessment, and semester exam. PA is what? Progressive assessment. For this subject we are having what? 70 marks of theory, out of which you must get 28 marks. And theory assessment, progressive assessment, for the theory it is of 30 marks, and the minimum marks is what? 0. And about the practicals, end semester exam, it is of 25 marks, minimum 10 marks you required to pass this practicals. And progressive assessment for the practical is again 25 marks, minimum 10 marks, which you are writing towards the manuals, and total is what? 50, 25, 25, 50. Okay, minimum 20 marks you must, and the total is be 150. So in the mark sheet you will get out of 150 marks. Now few important things you must know. This @ it shows what? Internal assessment. So where we are having right now internal assessment? At the practicals. Okay, the star marks is there. So where are the star marks? This is the star marks we are having for the theory. So what this tells? Under the theory PA, out of 30 marks, 10 marks are for the micro projects, 5 marks, okay, micro projects, to facilitate the integration of COs, and the remaining 20 marks is the average of 2 tests to be taken during the semester of the assessment of the cognitive domain LOs. LO stand for what? Learning outcomes required for the attainment of the COs. Important point to be noted, this is the mentioned by what? Whom? MSBT. Okay, if candidate not securing minimum marks for passing in the PA part of the practical, PA means what? PA, this is part of the practicals of any course, means out of this and out of this any course of any semester, then the candidate shall be declared as detained for that semester. Okay, so you must remember how seriously you have to do all your 3 years diploma. Okay, so we'll stop here right now.